Hello everyone. Welcome to another video of Marketing Insights. An important knowledge that everyone must have before joining in any MLM company is a good understanding about the company and the founder of it. Foundation is very important for a successful organization, and the founder is the one who built it. So today, in this video, we are going to know about the founder and chairman of Indus Weaver Health Sciences Private Limited Company. Mr. C. A. Anzar is the founder and chairman of Olive Life Sciences Private Limited and Indus Weaver Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore. The leading herbal extracts manufacturing and agriculture company has over 25 years of rich experience in the field of agriculture and healthcare. He started his career in the year 1991, right after his graduation. He was a part of an US-based startup company as finance executive. He took up various assignments and responsibilities in the area of production, research projects, marketing, etc., during a period of 17 years, and went on to become one of the directors in the board of the company. He also traveled overseas extensively for the expansion of business during this period. With this vast experience gathered over the years, along with courage and self-belief, Anzar's journey continued in a new direction. He started his own company, Olive Life Sciences, in September 2007, with an objective to improve people's lives under nature's care. The company manufactures standardized and clinically validated herbal extracts, which belong to nutraceutical segment. With the effortless dedication of Mr. Anzar and his team, the business Olive has grown to 8 more countries including Japan, Europe and United States. Its manufacturing plants have a monthly production capacity of 500 metric tons. It has contracted over 8,000 farmers and undertakes cultivation of various medicinal plants over 20,000 acres. Its R&D is recognized by DSIR Government of India and 6 international scientific publications in its credit. During this journey, Anzar has received the prestigious Emerging Entrepreneur Award by Confederation of Indian Industry, South India. He was also awarded Certificate of Export Excellence, Chefexcel 2009. Outstanding Exports Performance Award, Farmexcile 2010-11. Outstanding Exports Performance Award, Farmexcile 2012-13. State Export Excellence Award 2011-12. State Export Excellence Award 2013-14. Certificate of Export Excellence, Chefexcel 2009. Outstanding Herbal Medical Cultivator Award, Colombo. Outstanding Herbal Medical Cultivator Award, USA. The Golden Globe Tigers Awards 2015, State Export Excellence Award 2014. Anzar also gives lot of importance to proper work-life balance. He enjoys being with his family on weekends, having regular outings and exploring new places. He takes part in his children's school activities and participates in the functions at school. He lives with his parents and undertakes trips to his hometown in Kerala to connect with people there. Now, let us know some basic information about the company. Indus Weaver Health Sciences Private Limited was founded by Olive Life Sciences on the 17th of January 2014, headquartered in World Trade Center, Bangalore. As per 130th week, the 30th of July 2016, it has over 57,000 direct sellers, spread across most of the states in India, and continues growing rapidly. It remits the incentives of direct sellers on every following Monday, without any processing fee. It is committed to pay 50% of its turnover to direct sellers. As the company is not holding an MLM distributorship, we ensure no discrimination for direct sellers till the end. Within just 2 years, it has organized 4 international events at Dubai, Malaysia, Uzbekistan, Singapore, and star cruises with 50, 150, 250, 357 delegates from India respectively. Our corporate excellence, ethics, and transparency made our year-over-year growth rate over 300%, which is the highest among the major direct selling companies across the world. Indus Weaver's direct sellers are the first batch of trainees of MLM, from Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Trivandrum, established by Ministry of Finance, which is a statutory obligation. It is the first company that bills its products on MRP, and ensures no sales tax and income tax loss for the state and central exchequers respectively. The company's vision is to become the most dynamic and sustainable community commerce company in the world. And its goal is to provide world class wellness and nutrition products and services to enrich the lives of every distributor and consumer associated with them. The company's philosophy is: we strongly believe that everyone in the world has the right to obtain better health and wealth. So, these are the basic information that everyone associated with this company should have. Do like, share, and comment your views about our video. Subscribe to show your support and ring the bell for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.